What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to really quickly just show you how much dropshipping software is available at the moment. It's absolutely crazy. 2 or 3 things on this list are in development, so keep that in mind. But almost all of it is fully fledged dropshipping software that's been available for a while now, right? And there's a couple different things in here, but all of it is related to dropshipping, whether that's a repricer, checking stocks, or it's a lister posting items, or it's some kind of sales research or sniping, or all-in-one. A lot of this is going towards that kind of all-in-one direction, right? But that being said, I'm just going to go through all of these, and I have links for some of them. Others I just know because I can use Google and that kind of thing, right? So let's get to it. All right, starting off, we have Profit Scraper, Hydra Lister, AutoDS, SkuGrid, DSGenie, DSM Tool, Pricematik, DShopIt, Dropified, Sales Freaks, Pricematik, Track Inc., Chili Hunter, ZikAnalytics, EasySync, Sniper Pop, Spot and Paste, Dropship Beast, TerraPeak, Smarty Drop, Blacklister, Oberlo, Systematical, Yabel, Infinii, Azon Drop, Dropship Toolbox, Dropship Tracker, Dropship Mogul, Dropship for Arbitrage, Fees Delister, SaleWho, Hustle Got Real, and PriceFox. And this is just what I know of at the moment. These are the dropshipping softwares that are in like my realm of knowledge, and that is not everything in any way. There's so much software that one is just kind of sitting on people's computers and they just use for their own purposes, you know? There's way more of that than this. And like it's honestly kind of fascinating, and I'm really interested in trying to get to know and to do videos with the people behind pretty much everything on this list. That would be like, if I can do that within a couple years, that'd be good. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Ciao.